If you want to make your Blender tutorials easier to follow, one of the best things you can turn on is Screencast mode. This feature shows your key presses and the mouse clicks right on the screen, which is perfect for demos, walkthroughs, and teaching people exactly what you're doing as you work. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Screencast keys in Blender quickly and safely, even if you don't see it in the add-ons list right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Blender and go to the top menu, then click Edit, and from there choose Preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, look for the Add-ons section. This is where Blender keeps optional tools and features that you can turn on when you need them. In the search bar, type Screencast Keys. If you see it appear in the list, all you need to do is enable the checkbox next to it. If Screencast Keys does not show up in the add-ons list, don't worry. In newer Blender versions, some tools may need to be installed first from the extensions area. So go to the Get Extensions tab, search for Screencast Keys there and install it first. Once it's installed, come back to the add-ons section and enable the checkbox. This step is important because the feature has to be active before it can display anything on screen. After enabling it, close the Preferences window and look to the right side of Blender. Press N on your keyboard to open the sidebar panel. Inside that panel, you should now see a tab for Screencast Keys. Click on it to open the settings. This panel is where you can control how the screencast display looks and behaves. Now click Start Display. As soon as you do that, Blender will begin showing your keyboard shortcuts and mouse actions on the screen. This is extremely useful when recording a tutorial, making a demo, or presenting your workflow to someone else. Instead of guessing what keys you pressed, your viewers can actually see each action in real time. You can also customize the size, position, and style of the screencast display from the panel. That means you can make it smaller and cleaner for a polished video, or larger if you want it to stand out more for teaching. Take a moment to adjust it so it fits your recording setup and doesn't block important parts of your workspace. And that's it. You've now enabled Screencast mode in Blender and you're ready to show your keyboard and mouse input on screen. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.